Hey Rancho, welcome to this week's video. For this one, we're going to be heading outside to do 3 different challenges. One of them is for tossing. We're going to do some time with that so you can challenge somebody else, see if you can beat their time. A second one is going to be doing some agility stuff, and we'll do that with some boxes that you might be able to find around your house. And the third one is some balance, okay, with some other stuff that you might find around your house. So we're going to head outside to do those in just a little bit, and then we're going to come back inside. So I'll see you outside in just a minute. Here we go. All right, so before we get started, here's the things that you're going to need to try and collect. A hose or a rope or something. That's what we're going to use for our balancing. Some boxes, shoe boxes, something this size. Not super big. We don't want something that's going to be super far off the ground, but they don't have to be the same size either. So about 3 or 4 of those. And then some kind of basket. There's a laundry basket we got here. And some balled up socks. I have 3 pair here. Some older ones. If you're going to do this outside, you want to do your brand new ones, okay? Or your nice ones. So when you gather that stuff, come on back and we'll set it up one at a time. So we've got the socks. Now what we're going to do is the toss first. Now in the toss, this is a challenge. And you're going to time yourself. Now Mr.Corcoran's got the camera. She's going to count out 15 seconds. You can do this for 30 seconds. You can do it for 45 seconds. Probably going to get pretty tired if you do it for a minute, but it's up to you. But everybody does it for the same time. So we're trying to make it in the basket as many times as we can. Now I'm going to have this basket at the set spot so that everybody knows where they're going. We do some P.E. Back up and we take 5 steps away from the wall from our partner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe a line on the ground. Chalk would help. I'm going to go here. When she says go, Mrs. Corcoran's going to say go. I'm going to start.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, all right. So I think I made, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So after that, next person's turn. We see if we can beat each other. Okay? Be back for the next one. Hang in. See you in a bit. All right, so the next challenge is agility. And agility, this one's going to be working with the boxes that I told you to try and get. Again, it doesn't have to be the same size, but remember, not super high off the ground. That one's probably 10, maybe 12 inches. Trying to keep them about the same. I have 3 of them. These are the only 3 I could find. If you can find 4 or 5 or maybe even 6, I wouldn't go any more than that. But on this one, I'm going to show you just a couple of different things you can do, and then take turns. And on this one, first one, we're going to be doing jump over with 2 feet. We're starting to come up, we'll jump it over. Okay, and then I come back. All right, now the next one I can do is sideways, and I'm stepping over, and then I go back. And then I turn, so my back didn't actually be to you, and I'm going the same way. Now the better I get at it, the faster I can go. Okay, that's the agility one. Be back with the next one in a minute. Now, the last one was the balancing. Now, in balancing, remember, I needed you to try and find a hose or a rope or something else that you could balance on. We could use a chalk line. The curb in the street, and you bring it close to the car. It's probably not a good idea. Something you could do. I've also heard people rolling up their t-shirts, not your good ones, t-shirts, and then try and doing that. Okay, so this will be the balance one. One thing I did forget to mention, water. You want to make sure you're drinking lots of water. It is warm right now, so, and I'm out in the afternoon. I'm not out here in the morning shooting, so you're going to be trying to do this in the morning if you can. But if you're out here now, shade like I am right now, make sure you're drinking lots of water. It's always a good thing. All right, so now on the balance, we're just going to try and balance on the hose. So I'm using my arms to help. I didn't do very good there. Balancing out. Turn around. And then I'm coming back, trying to balance to stay on the rope or the hose or the line or whatever you're using, okay? Or if you have something to raise up a little bit that's safe, you can balance on that too as well. Well, that'll wrap it up for this week, Rancho. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Try to get those challenges done. You can do them more than once, maybe every other day or something like that. Remember, in the water and in the morning when it's a little bit cooler. Afternoon, make sure you're drinking water too. Hope you had a good time, Rancho. See you next week.